Igoo Ofo is affirmation and declaration. That affirmation and declaration process, that's process where the Igbo person, the Igbo person, right, is saying, I got the cage nature, the Agwu. I bona kanya, I butema, I bona kepa, I butema. Ndu Mmiri bụ ndụ azụ, mmiri ata na azụ ahụ na ndụ when you raise cooler, say you say this person undo gi, this person undo gi, this person undo gi. No ya weta oji weta undo. That process, the stuff in holy ezumezu. Nekwa nzu obi ọcha ka eji bịakwute. Nekwa aka inu wepụla anyị aka inu. Nekwa edo wele edo doziela anyị, wele edo meko odola. That's what Igoo Ofo is. It's the affirmation and declaration process. It's closed with Nafa Chukwu Nandian. Then you say, and then you strike your ofo on the ground. You know what I'm saying? The ofo is the staff of authority that the spirits recognize. Then the Igbos, we have a saying that so if you don't have an ofo yet, your fingers, your hands are your ofo. So you touch it on the ground and you say,